Did you know that the videos that you just watched started as a static design? Yes, an image. No timeline, no Premiere Pro, no After Effects, no exporting, no switching between tools. Just a graphic that I made move. And today, I want to show you exactly how I did it. This, Rockstars, is how best-selling products are made. Now, I want us to be honest with ourselves for a moment. Creating motion means usually designing in one tool, then we're gonna need to export, then we're gonna need to open that file in another tool, then we'll need to learn about a timeline. We're gonna need to understand keyframes, layers, rendering, weighting, fixing, and then of course, we're gonna have to re-export. And let's say you're creating graphics for a client. If that client says, can we just make it a little bit more dramatic? Or if you want to take things up a notch, you usually have to start all over with creating. That friction, it kills creativity. But what if I could design and animate on the same canvas? No switching, no handoffs, and no steep learning curve. Enough said. Let me show you exactly how to do this. And I'm gonna go step by step to make sure that even if you're new to this, you have a clear understanding by the time I am done. But before we dive into it, I want to get a little bit personal with you. A few months ago, I started playing pickleball, and I'm now addicted to it. I play 5 to 6 days a week, sometimes 7, and I play on average for 2 hours per day. And sometimes I'll play for 2 hours at 5 a.m. in the morning, and then I'll play for another 2 hours or an hour at 5 p.m. in the evening. If that doesn't make me an addict, I don't know what does. And here's the best part. I've lost somewhere around 38 pounds in about 3 months playing, and I did not change my diet or anything else. I'm just playing pickleball. And I have joined a pickleball team and met some incredible people who are now my teammates because they're a part of a club that I'm now a part of. And we're also playing several amateur pickleball tournaments. So I am in my aki, as we would say in Jamaica. Now, with pickleball being this addictive, I wanted to start selling pickleball related products because I know if it appeals this much to my own emotions, it's gonna appeal to the emotions of others. And you know what buying decisions are made from, right? Emotions. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna use the love of pickleball and me wanting to create products to demonstrate exactly what I want to show you. And of course, the tool that we're gonna be using today is Kittl. And let's start with step 1. What you're gonna do is open Kittl, and if you want to follow along exactly with what I'm doing, go ahead and open Kittl using the link that I've placed below this video in the description. Just click on more and you'll be able to see that link, and it will take you to the Kittl platform. And just so you're aware, if you decide that you want Kittl Pro or the expert plan, I find it to be affordable. It's what I recommend, which you're likely gonna need if you want to create at scale and to create the kind of products that I'm about to show you. You can use promo code that I'm popping up here on screen, Odetta YT, and it's gonna give you a 25% discount off all Kittl Pro plans. And this is whether you're taking the plan monthly or yearly. Now, let's start the building process. And I will start on the AI Hub tab as I'm showing you here. Let us go ahead and enter what we want to create. And I'm gonna type a pickleball logo for the Sunrisers Club. And I will keep the default here, which is using Nano Banana Pro. And this is the 4K version, which by the way, you get access to right here in Kittl. And you know it's a Google product, right? And we're gonna use it to create the logo. And I'm gonna leave the option to get 2 designs each time, and I'm gonna hit generate. And Rockstars, this is the outcome. Pretty quick, pretty simple with Kittl as a part of the first step. I just think the ease of creating logos with Kittl is incredible. But let's go ahead and remove the background as I'm doing here, and we're gonna download it so that we have it in high resolution with the background removed for future use. Now I also want to create a personal logo with one of my favorite things to say when I'm playing pickleball and I'm either in the losing position, which means the other team is winning, or when we're winning but our opponent is gradually creeping up with points or trying to be competitive. And what I like to say is, let's shut this down. To do this, I'm gonna go ahead and upload an image of my face right here in Kittl, as I'm showing you here on screen, and I will select remix, and I'm gonna enter this prompt that I'm showing you here on screen. And what the prompt basically does, as you can see here, is to create a full body sticker image using the photo of my face that I shared. And then you can add other things to the prompt, like I did here on screen, in terms of the fact that I want a mid-ear shot of me dressed in tennis attire. Feel free to be creative with your prompt, or you can use Kittl chat, which is this icon over here, and you can then describe exactly what you want your prompt to say, and it will use your guidance to create a prompt that you can use to generate your sticker image. Now we are again gonna use Nano Banana Pro, and we're gonna hit generate. And Rockstars, in a few seconds we get 2 images to choose from that's animated based on that photo that I uploaded, and I really like this one, so I'm gonna use it. Now if you didn't want an animated image or animated images and you wanted something more realistic, you can just modify the prompt to say realistic and cinematic. Now this is what a realistic sticker would look like for me. I think this is pretty cool as well. Write cool in the comment if you agree with me. You can go ahead and again remove the background to get just the sticker as is needed. And listen, if you're not happy with the options, feel free to generate more options until you get one that you like, or to tweak the prompt until you get an outcome that you desire. Now let's move to step 3, and this is where we're gonna add the text, which is the headline for our sticker. And I will use one of the animated logos in this example. With our sticker image ready, we will hit remix again to add the text with this prompt that I'm showing you here on screen, which is pretty simple. And basically the prompt says, in bold bright letters, add the text, shut this down. Now after we get the stickers with the text, shut this down on it, what we want to do next is to brand it. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload, you remember that logo image that we created earlier and we saved it? I'm gonna upload it, and I'm gonna say add the logo to the image with a prompt right here in Kittl. And Rockstars, look at this, my own personalized sticker for my products. Again, go ahead and generate and edit until you are happy with the results. Let's move to step 4, and this is to create our products. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the sticker that we want to use on an artboard by adding one, as I'm showing you here how to do on Kittl. And we're also gonna go ahead and remove the background of the image and adjust it on the template as I'm showing you how to do here on screen. Let us select the artboard, and we're gonna click the mockup. Now you can choose a mock-up design for a t-shirt, as you can see here on Kittl, for anything for that matter. And you'll be able to see what your sticker, what your logo, or something that you created from a graphics perspective for Pickleball, like I'm showing you here, what it would look like on a particular product using the mock-up option here in Kittl. Now, on a sweat wristband, which I actually use when I'm playing, because I put the wristband on my hand so that when sweat starts running down, it doesn't get my palm wet and sweaty, and I can continue to hold my paddle firm, which is what you call the racket that we play with when we play pickleball. And this is what my wristband looks like. I'll also add things like a tote, because I want to carry my pickleball gear in it, but I want it to be branded. And remember, if you're creating this to sell, make sure you're not using your personalized sticker. Nobody's gonna want to buy a product with a sticker of you on it, right? Create other designs, but use what I just shared as a guidance. And I'm showing you here on screen, and will be showing you what some of the other designs I created look like using that same guidance. I'm also gonna create a hat, and this is what it looks like. Of course, this is what the tote looks like. And I'm also gonna create other fitness clothing and attire so that when I show up for pickleball, I'm actually wearing my own branded products. I also repeated the steps that I showed you earlier to create other stickers like these ones that I'm showing you here on screen, either for myself, for my own products, or generic ones that I can use on products that I'll sell people. And again, you can use the mockup option on Kittl to see what it's gonna look like on the different products. Now, what we're gonna do next is simply amazing. And this is where I said in the description of this video that this should not be possible, but it is. We are gonna make this move. And to do this, I will select the mockup that I like, and then I'm gonna choose Add AI Video Board as I'm doing here on screen from the menu options. And let's also go ahead and choose the image generator that we want. We're gonna use Veo 3.1, which is the fast option. And then let us also choose the size that we want for our video and the length of the video that we want. And I'm gonna describe the motion that I want to create for the image that I have selected. And as you can see here, I'm doing that here on screen. Get creative in what you want the motion to be for your particular product ad, because that's what we're creating right now, and then hit generate. Again, if you're not happy with the results, you can modify the prompt or you can regenerate until you're satisfied with the results. And rock stars, this is the outcome.
Time to hit the court. And remember, everyone, always dink responsibly.
Pretty cool if you ask me. And remember to write the word cool in the comment if you agree. Now, like I said earlier, this should not be possible, but it is. Now we have videos that are perfect to advertise the products that we create. And we're now gonna move to step 5, which is monetization. To make money using this, you can use Printify free, and I've placed a link in the description as well that will give you access to Printify. You can use it to identify the products that you want to sell. And as you can see here from the Printify catalog, the product listing or products that are available, it's extensive. You can then upload the designs that we created using Kittl and then publish your products to be sold online. And I share in this video here how to do that step by step. And I'm gonna place a link to get access to this video in the description below as well. So if you're confused about how to convert your design to product, that video will explain exactly how I did it and exactly how you can do it. And after you get your mockups created, you can then use Kittl to make it move as I just did, and use those videos to advertise your products across multiple social media platforms and to drum up sales and make money. But you're gonna need to make sure that you do a good marketing campaign to be able to do so. Now that said, this video is for educational purposes only, and I'm not here to guarantee you any earnings or that you're gonna make a ton load of money. What I'll share with you, however, is that when people do this well, the results are amazing from a financial perspective. Now, why does all of this matter? Static posts don't stop scroll anymore. Motion is what does. When people are scrolling on social media, a static image doesn't grab their attention, but motion graphics like these one, that's what's doing it now. Motion becomes an extension of your design, not a separate skill that you have to learn. And this is because you're able to do it all on Kittl. And for content creators, you can create YouTube intros, promo animations, social media hooks, brand reveals, and product drops in a matter of minutes using exactly what I just shared. Now, the Make It Move campaign available on Kittl. It's now available in beta, which means if you get it early, you're gonna be ahead of everybody else. So if you want early access and you want to start turning your static designs into scroll stopping motion, again, you can start by clicking the link in the description. You can use my code to get a discount and start creating. Until next time, walk good.